Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're back in the booth, um, and we've got a car that we've been, I won't say battling with, but it was quite a challenge. So I done a video on this car very early last year, and this car had been basically cut and joined badly, the whole right quarter section, and I done a couple of update videos on it. But the car had been basically cut and joined badly. The dimensions of the car were, of the structure of the car was basically out quite a bit, right? And this is a resto mode that we're busy with. It's not a restoration car as such. And there was issues all over this car, man. All over. Every single corner, again, you can see it was an issue. And it was just, it's been a challenge to get up to this point here and to get the car into paint, right? Into bodywork sorted out and into paint. And I'm actually standing here next to the car now. And I'm like, wow. So the last, I did a video now on the last update when I done the whole workshop walkthrough, and the same car was in the video. And but I went not in depth into it, but I've done an update onto it. So this is our British Racing Green Cabriolet Power. And wow. So firstly, it's our first British Racing Green car, or the first time we're doing green, basically, right, in the booth. So she came out good. This color pops. This color pops. Atul signature run. There's one run here, but this is on the clear again. So she came out, I think she came out good. This color is just something else. The metallic in this color is something different. I mean, green is green. A person would think, you know, green is, there's a couple of dust spots on the bonnet. There's a couple of dust spots on the bonnet. Okay, this is a nice angle. Normally on the camera, on the other cars, I'd come up to the roof and I'll show you guys the roof. And yeah, we got a cabriolet which has got no roof, but we got the corners of the car. Look here, I always talk about the corners, and this here was a mission to get this car to this point here. This whole sill was replaced. This whole sill has been replaced. The whole back section has been basically taken. So when they cut and join the section wrong. So the minute we put it on the chassis machine and we pulled it basically into position where they cut and join, that all those welds tore up. So we had to refabricate and re-weld that car just to get the car into its square. This whole back section here had a cut and join all the way running through here. The front of the car, the front right of the car, basically looked like it was in a prang with a whole arch bent in. This color's popping nice, and I really can't wait for this car to get polished out. So now we're gonna still do the undercarriage and get to the interior. But look at this here on the power now. Look at this here. Look at the corners. Right, this is nice and clean and subtle. Okay. The definition on the lines here. I like this. I like this color. This color is popping nice into the corners, and because it's been cleaned out properly. It just looks so classy. Let's take a look at the bonnet from a different angle here. And then our doors and stuff are done. Right, so we still gotta do engine bay again. We got to do interior, boot lid, undercarriage. You know the story. So the car's got to go. But like I'm saying, to get this car to this point here, this is one of those cars that, you know, I keep on saying that we're not, we the deck of cards that we are always dealt is cars that need basically surgery, right? They all need surgery. They all, and to get them to a point of this nature is not easy. And then to get them driving straight and get them driving quietly and still tackle rattles and the alignment process of all of that is like it's crazy. We don't realize because we're in it every day. And this is like norm to us. We don't realize how much of work actually goes into this here. So even for this body, how much of work has actually gone into this car, how many hours has gone into this car just to get the body to looking the way it does is on another level, right? And proud of it. So Camo, here's your car. It looks good. And now gonna get ready for assembly soon. So this is, I haven't done a paint video in quite a while. There's still a whole lot coming in that you guys were getting. So let me know what you guys think about this here. British Racing Green. I think it looks good. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I shall chat you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys.